Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Lenovo. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Security section. In it, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Then you can choose No or Yes in Secure Startup pop-up and create your login method. Then choose Next at the bottom right corner. Now you need to repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on Confirm. Finally, select one of those options to answer the question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with the last one, Don't show notifications at all, and click on Done. Finally, when I switch off my screen and then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!